Hello viewers, this is Blue Alpha Later here, and we're playing White Noise Online. I had it for a while, but I just didn't want to play it anymore. Yeah. So we're gonna see how this goes.
We're gonna get screwed over. You got a friend. I don't. Wait, who's this? Wait, is Kevin? Is this you right here? Hey,
Oh, where are you guys? Where are you guys?
I'm right behind you, Kevin. Alright,
Okay.
DJ. Hey.
Alright, guys, come on. Come on, guys.
You found us a chick. Yay. I was hoping to be that person.
Wait, how do you run? I forgot.
Yeah, that's the right trigger. Right trigger. Oh, your flashlight goes down when you run though. Yeah, that's the scary thing.
Okay.
I want to be in the middle because if he comes from the back, because if he comes from the front or the back, he's gonna freaking get you guys.
Well, viewers, this is like Slender Man, by the way.
Yeah, I'm gonna be right in the house, DJ. No, that's always a bad idea.
Wait, what?
Kevin, turn around. This way. Come on, this way. I hear one of those tapes. Don't pick it up yet. Don't pick it up.
Just pick it up.
Wait. Come in. No, we have to stick together to do this.
I hear it.
Where's the door?
Okay. There it is. I found it.
Don't pick it up yet.
Wait, guys, are you here?
Wait, I don't see you guys. You ran off. Oh, no, he's right here.
Okay, guys, come on.
We have to stick together at all times.
Okay, guys, concentrate. We've been through worse. Guys, we've been through worse. Caleb, shush. Where are you guys?
Where's TJ?
TJ, look behind.
TJ, turn around, hurry. TJ.
SOS.
SOS signal.
Follow me.
You should do a challenge. You should do this with our lights off.
Okay.
The actual SOS is 3 fast, 3 slow, 3 fast. I like how it's snowing and there's no snow on the floor.
Okay, guys.
You know it's based on a real movie? Yeah. I think. I don't even know. Whoa. My screen's all static. Maybe we're close. I can't hear him.
I can hear him too. I'm looking behind.
I'm looking down. I'm looking down like
There's
I did
no
last
one.
time. Yeah, I'm looking down like I did last time.
Oh my god, I see the stone. I found the stone. There's the stone where I am.
Wait, where'd you guys go? Oh, yeah, you Dude, I kind of want to quit. I kind of do.
Okay, there's another stone.
Okay, don't go to those green stones. They'll kill you. I'm looking down like I did last time we were playing this. This is at night. This is way scarier.
Okay. This is actually not that scary because I already played Slenderman and every other scary thing, so...
I played Slenderman 2 and I beat the game. Yeah.
So it's not that scary.
Last birthday party, I beat it. Yeah.
Okay, guys, over here.
I'm so scared, man. Oh god, they're coming in. We've only done this. We've only gotten...
Guy, wait, shush.
The key is to not look behind you. That's the key. You won't be scared. That's the whole point.
It even says that too.
Okay, it's that place from, oh, I can hear him. I can see him.
Oh! Wait, who got attacked? Who got attacked?
Run!
Guys, are you with me? Are you with me? Okay.
Can we leave?
No.
Can we just go play GTA? Can we just go play GTA and have a fun time, please?
We will do this.
We got the 7 tapes last time, remember?
Wait, have we been there already?
Yeah, we've been to 7 tapes. Oh, that's a different cabin. Guys, oh my god, don't freaking die. We better die inside the house. That's the way I want to die. I want to die by getting swallowed by a addicting bird. If you haven't seen that game, go to Google, type up addicting game, on Missing Bird. It's pretty fun.
Okay, I found it.
DJ, get inside. Exit that way. There's a
Hold
camera here.
on. 8? Yeah, hold on. Okay.
Like he gets freaking attacked like this.
I kind of think I know where the other one will be.
I don't want to play. I don't want to play anymore. I'm just gonna look down. I don't even care about I don't care about life anymore. This just makes me think I'm just gonna die out somehow.
I think I hear another one.
I think I'll carry some breaks out of all of us. You think you're all being little pussies because I got this. I got the middle. No! Kevin, look, every point if Kevin somehow dies, and means we have to do this on our own. If we have to do this on our own someday, when Kevin dies, then I'm just gonna leave the game. That's it, I swear. If I'm the last one alive, I'm leaving the game. Just letting you guys know. Just letting you guys know. Oh god, there's hands everywhere.
I know.
You guys are looking up? DJ, you're looking up? I'm looking down at Kevin's feet. That's how scared I am. That's how much I don't want to play this game.
Okay, guys, come on. We're teenagers here. We're the Scooby-Doo clan.
I do Scooby-Doo. I know. You look like Shaggy. I'm Red. No, I'm Dad. I'm Boris. No, yeah, what's your name? Dorothy? No.
Wait, guy, wait.
Hey, look.
I thought I heard it. I thought I heard one.
Guys, let's sing the song.
I got a friend in need. I need a friend in need.
You like my version?
Where are you guys? Okay. Don't look back. Just trust me. Do not look back. Okay, guys. We got something here.
Don't look back.
I found it. Okay, 3 out of 8. 3 out of 8, guys. Oh god, no, not this way.
Hear my version? Yeah, sure. Something to make you happy. We got some food to eat now.
Guys, by any chance, is your flashlight turning off too? Oh, I'm turning off mine for a while.
Oh my god! I can't see you!
Hi.
Oh, you're right here. I can't see you.
I'm turning.
Flashlight.
It's X. I'm turning it off because my battery on the flashlight. Nope.
Nope, not going that way.
Nope. If I turn it off, maybe he'll be gone.
And there was 3 people. One of them was Shaggy. One of them was Shaggy. It's a story about you guys. Someone stole a cookie jar. Stole a cookie from the cookie jar, and they found out.
Dar. You're the dar.
Grounded. You're just gonna hear us screaming, and yeah, a good video needs. Oh my gosh, it needs loading again.
Guys, tell me if you hear it, because I don't know.
I can hear the alien though. Yeah, that's good. That's a good sign. Cross the river. It's always good to cross the river.
Oh yeah, guys, I think one of them will be here.
It's always good to find look. Yeah. Oh, I can hear him. I hear it. I hear it. I heard it.
Okay, there he is. Come on, guys. Oh god. Guys, come on, guys. Come on.
Just like Thunderman, the music changes.
Guys, come on. We need to go back where the heads are because I think the other one will be there.
I'm tired. Hold on, I gotta stop, Kevin. Right?
Oh god. Guys, don't turn the other way where I'm going. Just follow me.
I saw where the screen was.
Yeah, I'm telling you, no. Okay, over here.
Those things will kill us. Okay, cross another river. That's perfect.
Tell me if you hear it.
Oh, I can hear him being freaking pissed. That's what I can hear. I can hear the music. Huh? Listen, I am playing a super freaking serious game. I can't, Dad. My friends are playing. I can't pause it. I'll do it when we die. It might be like a few minutes. What? I can't! Jesus Christ! I swore if it was up to me to die, if it was up to me to choose who dies first, I would just give up. It's so true, though. It's so true.
Guys, see, hear it if you can hear it.
I really don't want to play this. I really don't want to. I don't think I can because it's loud.
Oh.
Why are we going to circle? That's the number one rule in this game. Never mind. Oh, I saw him! Why I looked at
Oh, no.
Caleb, I just took up. Caleb, come backwards. Caleb, come backwards. Okay, just look at my feet. Caleb, just look at my feet.
Come on, children. Oh god, don't look back. Do not look back. Okay, guys, we can do this. We got 3 of them.
That's 4, actually.
Oh.
Yeah, we actually have 4.
Where's the rocks? Right here. Nope. You guys hear the tape?
Oh, I don't hear any static. I turned off my light, so it's whoa, I lost Kevin. I will never play this game again. Never. After this, I'm done. I want to.
Guys, hear closely.
Give me a bag of some water. Some chips if you have one. I have a bit of leg. Oh wait, there's cookies in the bag. Guys, I just want to say one last thing. We're just gonna freaking die.
Oh god.
If you lead us to that monster and get us killed, I'm gonna have to kill you. No, if you lead us to the monster and it kills us, I'm gonna
Oh, 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 don't look back. Just do not look back. Do not look back. Guys, hear closely. Hear closely.
Guys, like, how it looks like that he's just right behind us and he's just falling. I have a feeling that he's breathing on my neck and I can't feel it because I'm wearing a scarf.
There it is. There it is. There it is. Guys, come on. Guys, we got 5. We got 5, guys. Guys, concentrate. Be like men. Okay, guys, breathe. Okay, guys, breathe, breathe, breathe. Just look at the beautiful sky. Look at the beautiful sky. Guys, look at the beautiful sky. Guys, look at the beautiful sky. Wait, do I hear it?
Never stand. I think it's more to the right. I think it's more to the right. Don't ever stand still. We're playing Thunderman.
Oh my god. We got a stone, we got a stone, we got a stone.
Guys, they took it behind you. No.
Fine, I'll look behind.
Please, died.
Oh, he died, no wonder.
I'm my god, I'm a ghost. PJ, hold on, they're coming to you.
What? What's wrong? Come on, TJ, come on, TJ, come on, TJ.
Okay, I'm just gonna follow you. Because if I get caught, I'm a freaking...
Just don't leave, don't leave.
I'm not gonna leave because I'm already dead. Look, Kevin was just... We were just looking around. I was looking for the tape. I was looking in the direction we were gonna go. And then as soon as I turned, he went to my face.
Okay, there's a hill, there's a rock, there's a rock.
Oh my god.
Over here, over here, over here, over here. Just calm down.
The thing is, I can't see him. I can't see him.
TJ, pull yourself together.
Oh, there's a giant tower right there.
Oh my god, don't look behind, do not look behind.
I can look behind, but I can't see anything. I can see everything. It's just all foggy in the distance.
Nope.
You scared the crap out of me. I was following TJ. TJ's in the middle, not he's safe.
Okay, TJ, okay, you're good, you're good.
I'm here.
My flashlight's dying too.
I looked inside you, dude. That was a little scary.
Where is it?
Oh, I hear him. I hear him. Don't freaking leave me.
Okay, we went that way. So let's go this way.
See one of you die just by standing still. Oh, that would have been so funny.
Don't look behind, do not look behind.
I can hear him. He's breathing down my neck.
Just come on, 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 come on.
He was my ear hole, man. Just go.
Oh, hold on, hold on. I'll be back fast, I'll be back.
No!
Okay, I'm back. I'm back. No, Mr. Monster, no, Mr. Monster, no, Mr. Monster. Guys, I need to concentrate. You got to believe in me. TJ, seriously, I need to concentrate. Tape recorders found. 5 out of 8.
Watch the replay. Look at it. We're all, alright, guys. We got this. There, we found one. And then, a scream. And then, we kept walking.
That has actually a huge map. Look at that.
Look, and then somebody screamed, and then we found another one. Then we screamed, and then we found another one. And then we found another, and then we screamed again. And then we kept going, and then we found another one. And then we kept on going. And then we screamed again, and we screamed. And then we kept on going, and then we screamed. And then somebody else screamed. And then scream. Oh, look, we got another one. And I died, and then we kept on going, and you guys kept on going. And then shortly after, bam, TJ died, and then we kept on going, and bam, died. Oh my god. I want to see this video. I want to see how freaking bad I scream.
Okay.
Alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Oh no, we're playing again. We're playing again. I don't know how to play again. No! Oh, it's an after Ben on the place.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
What's his name?
Chuck.
No, from Scooby-Doo.
Fred?
Yeah, he's oh my god. You guys
Okay.
literally had tears coming out.
Okay, look, we have blood trails. We're the mystery gang.
Wait, who am I? Oh my god.
We got this. Don't worry. We got this. Just turn off your flashlight. Just turn off your flashlight and keep going straight.
I don't freaking like this anymore.
Hey, what you doing there, buddy?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's just the head.
I know.
Wait. Wait, I think I hear it. There it is.
I see it. I'm gonna click it. I click it. I'm gonna click it.
Okay. Turn off your flashlight. You just keep going straight.
Caleb, you there?
Caleb.
Oh, you have to go do something now.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, we got this.
The first time I freaking died is Caleb freaking
I think this map is actually easier because there's not a lot of big spaces.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, nope, nope, nope. It's just the rock, it's just the rock. Viewers, please comment and subscribe for me, and what do you think of this game? And comment below to see if you want me to play a game with my friends again.
No, I'm not playing this game anymore.
You have to, TJ.
No, I'm not good. Oh god. I'm not playing this game anymore.
Whoa.
After this, I'm good. What? Your face is ugly, but your hair. Don't fucking. Oh, more blood. More blood. More blood. I'm following the footsteps back. Oh my god. Hi.
Hi. I hear voices.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Scary.
What is that?
The thing they torture people. I don't know. Oh, torture devices. That's what he does to victims. He tortures them.
I hear them too.
I don't know. Well, that's to grill you. That's what they did to grill you. Think about it. TJ, did you see the Ronda Rousey fight right now? Right now? Dude, Ronda Rousey looked that girl over 16 seconds of the fight and it was over. Is it new? No. Yeah, new. TKO. She got knocked out. I got a blue.
Okay, just follow me, just follow me, just look behind, just look behind.
Huh? Oh god, what's that?
Just look behind, just look behind.
You guys playing again? Are you guys playing again? What is that, Kevin?
It's the rock, just don't look.
How did you look at it?
Then you die. Oh, the guy who came, the guy came. I feel like we're walking in circles.
I can hear that.
So yeah, viewers, the players that play with me.
Jack and Elisa, new themes character, avatars for avatar changes, improvements, added to future disturbing effects, and increase your character's experience and
Oh, nope, nope. Just look behind what I'm doing. Well, viewers, the players that play with me today, their name is TJ Core and Nightmare. Whoa, I feel bad for these people. TJ, I find your long last brother-in-law.
Where's he at?
Right here.
How do you know those people poop? I can't join you guys. Do you guys send me an invite or something?
Oh, okay, I got you. Do fast.
No. Do it fast. I can't. Okay, go back. Hey, after this, you guys are friends with Castle Miners Z or GTA?
I said Castle Miners Z.
Yeah, I'll start it up. I'll just go on that one world that we have.
Yeah.
He's really dominant.
Just start a new world. Just start a new world.
You want what difficulty do you want me to put it on?
Easy.
Well, no, I'll start it when you guys get on because
Yeah.
I'll start it at the same time. I'm on the dashboard just waiting. Hold on, I'm gonna go watch the fight. TJ, it took a couple of punches. I'll tell you how it ended. It took in the first round. It took a couple of punches from each player, and then she kneed her. The Ronda Rousey kneed her in the face, and she grabbed.
Well,
her
viewers,
twice,
I might end the video here. So please comment and enjoy this video, and I might post another one today with a game called Castle Miners Z. So bye.